For our Caribbean check-in this morning, we are hopping over to the Spice Isle, Grenada. Joining us via Zoom is soca sensation Alex Muddy Coffee. Now, Coffee is one of Grenada's standout soca artists, I'm going to say the Caribbean, known for his commanding performances and cultural depth. It's awesome to have him. Hey, Muddy, welcome to Smile Jamaica. It's morning time.
Thank you. You have me smiling this morning already.
Hey, I love it. Wow. For the folks who are just meeting Alex Muddy Coffee, tell me a little bit about who you are.
Alex Muddy Coffee, I would say it's two different people because I am Alex Coffee, government name. Yeah. And the Muddy one is the one you see on the stage doing all that energetic performance and giving you all that vibe. Mm-hmm. The Muddy one is very creative, very intuitive, and Alex is more laid back. Okay. You will find me quiet to myself in a corner, just doing my thing. That's basically who I am. A creative guy who just mellow, How
did you get the name Muddy?
The name Muddy is because I'm grounded.
Okay.
To where I'm from in Grenada, I am one that you would see in specific places. Mm-hmm. And I stay grounded with the fans and with the people of Grenada.
Love it.
Love it. So they are grounded like the mud, nothing more grounded than the mud. So they just call me the mud.
Yeah. So tell me a little bit about your journey as an artist. Were you always interested in music as a child, or did this just evolve along the way?
I've always shown interest in music. Mm-hmm. But I would say the knack for recording and creating my own music, that came in high school, late high school, where I started to record is more dancehall and reggae music in the later part of high school. Mm-hmm. And that is where the love came, just starting to create my own ideas and my own sound. Wow. That is where he came from. That is where my love started from late high school.
All right, wow. Payroll, man. Payroll landed at number 85 on the Rolling Stones Top 100 Songs of 2025. That's huge. What does that recognition mean for you as an artist and as a Grenadian artist on the music scene?
It's an amazing accomplishment, first of all.
Yeah.
I don't know how to feel about it. It means a lot to me. Why? Because it wasn't something that you had to sign up for or that I sent in my song to get reviewed for or anything. So it just came. It wasn't expected. It wasn't something that, we want to make Rolling Stones. It was never that, So the accomplishment is also greater that we was just acknowledged for the work that we put in. So I feel amazing. The feeling is amazing. It's an accomplishment for me personally as an artist and as soca on a whole and as a Grenadian artist in the job movement. I know how Grenada feeling. I know my island feeling. We proud. They proud just as much as me. Trust me.
Yeah. We're Caribbean proud. Like when Caribbean people do well.
Sorry about that. The whole Caribbean.
Yeah. I know that when Payroll just came out, your Spice Mass press strip did a lot to push it. How do you think that helped in gaining, international notoriety for the song?
I would say the song in itself is
just a boom song.
Not to toot my own horn, but the song in itself is an amazing selection. Wow. From the opening lines with "When stars align, greatness outshines all hatred in space and time." It's amazing. But I would say what pushed it to the international level and getting out there into the public, I would say the marketing behind the song and how we pushed it on social media, because that is what we've been doing for the past couple of years. trying to switch up the marketing strategy and how we want our music to be received and how we want to put our music out there. And I would say the people, the fans, in the diaspora, the Grenadian fans, the people all over the world, they pushed it. They fell in love with that quote. They fell in love with the backpack and they're ready. They want to put the jab on our payroll. And yeah, it was that. I will attribute that to the success to that.
Yeah.
To mostly the people, because the people wanted the song.
You feel like, because Payroll, it's a great party song, it's a great mood song, but also the lyrics are uplifting. Do you think that combination that makes it so great? I think so.
I believe so.
Yeah.
Because with soca music, you tend to have more of the jump and wave and the whine and whatnot. But in Payroll is more of a like an ancestral calling in a sense.
Yeah.
You know, when stars align, greatness outshines all hatred in space and time. And that could be some philosopher or what quote or whatever. You know, so people see it as
words to live by. It's words to live by and words to jam to. So it works. Yeah. You said jab soca is what you said?
Yeah, jab.
What's jab soca? That sounds like a movement, and that's Grenadian, yeah.
Yeah, the jab is more so us coming out of slavery and colonization. Wow. And us being freedom. It's where we paint our skins in the molasses and the oil, and we have the chains and we have the horns, you know. For being demonized so long for the color of our skin, we painted it black. Yes. You know, to mark the masses. Yes. And we celebrate it so powerful in Grenada. Yeah. It's so much a thing in Grenada that I believe it's just our thing.
That's a powerful cultural movement. Oh my gosh, I could talk all morning to your Muddy, but I have to go. I want to know what performances are major stage preparations, plans do you have for the new year?
For the new year, I'll give you one little hint.
Tell me.
The Jab, myself, will be attending the motherland for the first time. I'm going to Africa. I'm going to Ghana. Wow. So that's major for me.
That is major. You know, Muddy, I'm not lie. When you say you're gonna tell me something, hear me to myself, oh, he's coming to Jamaica. But yeah, well, it will happen soon.
Yeah, definitely.
Definitely. It's so good to talk to you. Guys, please follow him at Muddy_original. Give him all your love and support. Thank you so much for speaking with us this morning, Muddy.
Thank you. It was a pleasure.
Grenada's soca artist, Caribbean soca warrior, Jab, Alex Muddy Coffee. That's it for our Caribbean check-in.